Hello, welcome back to Spotlight Channels here. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you a tutorial how to turn off Motorola G06 power. But before it, I hope you guys click the subscribe and the bells button to support this channel. And yeah, now let's get started to the video. Well guys, here to turn off your phone, which is Motorola G06 power, you can use two ways to turn off it. The first one, you can use the button to turn off, which is the power button and the volume up button. To use it, you just have to press it at the same time like this. Here, I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna press the volume up and the power button here. I'm gonna press it for a second, like this, and it will be a pop-up. And if you wanna turn off, you just have to choose the power off option here. And the second way is to turn off the phone. If you don't wanna use the button here, you just have to open the settings first. And after, in this settings page, you just have to scroll it down and select the accessibility here. And after, in this accessibility, you just have to scroll it down again, find the accessibility menu, and after, click the button here at the side of the accessibility menu shortcut. You just have to tap it, and after, click the arrow. Now click OK. This is the shortcut of the accessibility, yeah, guys. If you wanna turn off your phone without use the button here, you just have to activate here the accessibility shortcut. And the way you have to do here, you just have to open the shortcut here, and you will find the power button. And if you wanna turn off your phone, you just have to tap the power option here. And yeah, I think enough from me and from this video. Don't forget to like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.